No, read! Read!
No, I don't want to read.
Hey!
What?
Hey! Papa, to my book! Overcast! Hey! Get down there!
Pull it!
Get down. Run. No, let me do it. I got
the book.
What the poo?
I got
No! I hate you! Let me get the book.
You're gonna do it.
Okay!
Yay!
You can respawn. Yay! Now I can pull. Give me a second. I'll be right back. It might take me a minute. Follow me real quick.
Bro, away from me. Oh, yeah! No, 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 no!
No! My book! Hey,
You
no,
went into the basement.
If
You look behind my glasses,
I'm
there's
coming.
actually galaxies
Oh,
and stars.
did I hit you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get
I'm
under
sorry.
There she is.
You
Sorry.
bring the book.
Stay right there. Stay right there. You haven't done your punishment yet.
Drink this. Oh, this is the end.
No, no.
Is that you? Please,
I'm
help
coming.
me! Help!
Bro, why'd you click?
I'll get the fish!
Come
I'll
on,
catch
come
it!
on, come on.
Put the fish right here! Ah!
Water. Hey, water, but this is red water. So, that's not.
Let's eat some. No! No! We could stay in the water. Never mind. Let's eat some.
I got the book out!
It's not working.
Bro,
Let's go get a knife together.
bro.
Hey! I'm here! I'm finally!
Where are
I'm
you?
finally here! It took me so long. It's fucking booty
Bro, where'd you
cheese.
get it from? Where'd you?
Is this a smart idea to go skydiving? Let me get my gear.
Oh, bug!
Okay. Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe. It's safe to go.
Okay, we.
No, you don't have a jetpack. It's dangerous. No, me buddy, me buddy.
Hold on. This will take a lot.
No, me buddy. No, 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 no.
Feels like
Over here. Yo, you can parachute.
Pineapple hat. Pineapple.
Let's go. We can parachute. Yo, where's my horn? Yo, where's my horn? Okay, here we go.
fish.
Pineapple hat cat.
No, stop.
Pineapple hat.
Parachute it. No. I'm jumping the fish.
No. Oh wait, no, I survived. I survived. Oh my god, this is scary.
I'm still alive.
Scary as heck.
Bumbledino crocodilo.
Bro, we found the book.
Get the fish.
Yeah.
Still alive.
Rip. Yeet.
No, no,
I
no.
don't think the book's safe anymore.
Yes, no, after all.
Yo, come here, book. You're not the chosen one. I am.
No.
Get down there, cause you suck.
Hold on, let me read it first. Once upon a time, there was Diddy in the hole. That's it. Yeah.
Once upon a time, there was Diddy in the hole, and then there was a guy that started with the E and then ended with the D, and there was a Santa Claus by it. He said there was Diddy in the hole. He put the green book in the hole. Yeet, the book goes out the freaking hole. Ooh!
No, no, the kid.
Yeah, get rid of this book. It talks about Diddy, bruh.
Alright, what about this book?
Where are you?
Let me see what.
This one's fine. No, let's check this.
Where are you?
Hold on, let me check this
Once
book.
there was Diddy in the hole, there was a guy named Santa Claus. He had candy in his mouth. Ooh! Ooh, he was jiggling his booty in the
Yo,
loud.
that's insane.
He was looking his butthole in the crowd. Hey, there was a guy right next to
Yo,
him.
get rid of that.
And he had the clothes that was golden. He spelled his name with the E, with the ending with the end. Boom, boom, boom. Eat out the window. Get
Well,
the
let me
frick
tell-
out of here.
let me tell you
Why is there
about
a
story.
freaking book?
Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a Santa Claus that he said, "Oh, hey kid, let me get you a candy. I'm gonna give you a candy. I wanna give you a candy." The kid said, "Oh, I want some candy." The Santa Claus said, "No, you can't get the candy because I'm gonna touch your booty."
Let me tell you a story.
Room, okay?
Once upon a time, there was a kid that said he wanted candy. There was a Santa Claus right next to him. That was his name started with an E and then ended with a D. So the Santa Claus had some candy in his beard, so he grabbed the candy out of his beard and threw it at the kid. Here you go, kid. Oh, no, just let me write that in there.
Hold up,
My book.
hold up. I got a note. I got a note for my Christmas book. So here was my gift. My gift was Santa Claus. Can I get your hat? Can I get your present? And then can I get everyone's bucket? Can I get a PS5 and a VR? And then can I get
Yes. Okay, let me get that. There you go.
Wait, I don't want this. Oh yeah, I threw it out the window.
Hot tour. That's what you get for being on the bad list. Let me check. You are still on the bad list.
No, sorry.
Come here, boy.
No,
Let me go get my weapon, bruh.
not if you can scare me. Oh no, bro.
Lick my butthole.
Hey, oh no.
Come here, you.
Get away.
Mhm.
Get away.
Lick my butthole. No, don't push me off. Don't push me off.
Oh, I gotta push you. Say bye bye.
I'll give you $1,000, please.
Nope. Oh, yeah, actually. Hell no. Yay, Santa Claus gone. Now I can get my Christmas gift. Ooh, what do we have here? What's we see in Santa Claus' room? Oh, he has the PS5? Oh my gosh! Oh my, I should have it set up right now. Alright, let me play.
I have a PS4!
Oh, no.
Why you do that? I'm bad.
No! Santa Claus, what are you doing?
Oh no! I always said I would come back.
Oh no!
You better go skydiving or I won't give you the PS5. I mean the PS88.
Oh, bam, my guy! Yippee!
Yay! I killed the kid!
Wait, no!
Buddy!
Under my glasses, there's actually galaxies.
I got you, my kid.
I know that.
No,
My
thank you.
binoculars are not in the mirror. I see that. Buddy.
Yo,
Right back.
you
No,
wanna
no,
go
no.
adventure?
Huh?
Do you wanna go adventure? Buddy!
Let's go
Bro,
adventure.
what's that pirate ship? What's that pirate ship over there?
That's
Let's go.
Luffy. That's Luffy's One Piece pirate.
Can I am
Ooh,
a
okay.
professional doctor. I'm a professional doctor.
Get out of here!
Professional doctor.
I'm Santa Claus, the killer Santa Claus, actually. That sounds like a cool name, right?
Yeah. You can't attack me. Cause I am Thor!
Get out of here! Oh, shut this up your butt crack.
Doctor supply.
I shut it up your
Okay.
butt crack.
Yeah, I shot it as balls.
Stupid
Yeah,
kid.
get for your
You
booty.
can't like think that.
Here, come here, come on.
Just
Let's
stay
go
right
adventure
there.
to the next one.
Let me get something.
You are not grabbing your supplies. I see you.
Come on.
I'm here, bro.
What the freak is down here?
I need my supplies.
I'm fine.
No, baby doggy.
I came to save you.
Oh, no.
Come on. This way. We're gonna be a hawk tour.
Hawk tour.
I need to get
Hello?
one guy at a time.
Buddy.
Don't worry, these are my
My
professional
room, my
supplies.
bedroom. Where's my alcohol?
Buddy?
Let me drink it. Got.
Are you sugar?
Buddy, wait.
Drink some of this.
Oh hell yeah!
I'm going to have to give you a new head.
No.
I need to give you a new head. I can't think it, but I need to give you a new head after I give my
Yo, I got a whole Red Bull. I'm gonna drink this all.
Put me in too sweet.
Buddy, where are you?
Yes, I have a sweet drink. I have a sleepy drink.
Be like right here.
I have a drink that makes you go to
Barrels,
sleep.
bro. Let's go. Where's my friend? He disappeared. I saw him last night. Everything over here.
I'm going to give you a new head. I'm going to give you a new head.
What happened? No,
I might have to.
Oh nah, that's it, bro. I'm gonna drink more Red Bull.
I gave you a robot head. I gave you a robot head. I could have figured
I got this whole energy monster.
My dad is not even there. My dad is not even there.
I found another one. Go.
Stop drinking.
Another one.
Oh no, that's mine.
Come on.
Really?
Come on. Let's go, Vincent.
Santa Claus is drinking.
Let me go
stuff.
check this map real quick. Okay. Follow me.
Bo, if you guys, if anybody even,
What is this?
anybody even does anything,
It's my Ferris wheel. I built all by myself.
Yo, Santa Claus, where are you going?
Up here. I like your booty cheeks up here.
I need to get to the speaker.
Santa Claus.
If you
Santa
do
Claus.
something from
I had to go get in the shower real quick. I'll be back.
if you do
I'm
something
sorry, I had to leave you.
No,
there.
no, buddy. Buddy,
Don't you dare.
no, buddy.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Buddy.
Don't you dare.
Why'd you leave
Don't you
me?
dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Buddy! Why you had to do this to me? Buddy! Don't leave me. You would I'm gonna take Buddy.
Where are you?
I'm gonna
Where
put it
are
in the
you? Where are
basement.
you?
Come on.
Pineapple head, where are you? I'm ready for anything. I got
Put it in
two
the basement.
daggers. If I see anything, I'm chopping it up. I got two daggers.
Me Buddy. I'll save you.
Oh yeah, ching, ching.
Me Buddy. Me Buddy. Me Buddy. Me Buddy. Me Buddy. Everyone. Say goodbye to Santa
If you see a
Claus.
cow with a pineapple head, do not tell me where I am. Or you're gonna do AO YouTube. So I am just gonna stay in somewhere that you're never going to find me at. Pelican.
Bro, you come down here. Bro. You come down here.
Who's talking to me? Hello?
Me.
Hello?
Bro, come down here.
Don't tell the cat on the pineapple head where I am.
Why?
All you gotta do AO YouTube. So I'm hiding away somewhere with two daggers.
Hold on, go.
Bro. You're not the pineapple cat.
I'm not the pineapple, okay?
Okay, but don't tell me where I am, or else I got 2 daggers and a launcher.
You know he can hear you, right? From all the way on top, right?
No, I can't.
Yeah, I checked him upstairs. He's upstairs. He can hear you.
Wait. Is he a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
Ask him. Go up there and ask him.
Alright, drink this Red Bull first.
Go up there and ask him.
Alright, drink the Red Bull. Drink the Red Bull.
Okay.
Where's that boy? Where's that boy? Where's that boy? Perfect. Bro. The cat with the pineapple head. Come here on stage.
I'm clapping my weapon together.
Bro, pineapple head. With the cat that has a pineapple head. Come here on stage.
I'm hiding.
I need to talk to you, pineapple cat.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Bro, pineapple cat. Pineapple cat. Where are you? You need to come here on stage and immediately. Bro, where'd he go? That's so weird. Where'd he go? Bro. Oh my god. Bro. Hello. Somebody come on the stage.